messages for blessed emergency vehicles. Bless them safe travel. Keep them safe once you get to where they're going. It's 30 degrees out and we're starting to have the first of the freezing rain that they've been expecting. I think he's stuck down in traffic down there. Either that or wherever he's at is right there on the roadway. Nope, he's still moving.